Alright, good morning or good afternoon, Matthew. So let's dive straight into it. First of all, we're gonna use this basic condition. Basic condition means that it picks up a contact that has done a certain thing. So, for example, is sent a message, so is a recipient of a message. And we do autoresponder, select the autoresponder that was the last one in your current series, and after, so that one, right, for example, and when this autoresponder is sent, that contact will, if you would like to move him instantly, we just move to a list, add a block that's moved to a list, select the destination list, and that way he will instantly be added to that list. We just need to join those two together and do save and publish. If you would like to give them some time before moving them or anything like that in the meantime, or for example you would like to tag them and see who is that and that got moved already, right? So we could do something like that. So before moving, that person would be tagged, and that tag would be for example to create a new one or to use an existing one. It's of course up to you if you'd like to give them some time. That's the wait block in between, and in general save and publish will do the trick.